Here we're going to be putting in a 45 Compact Series Blue Baron 45, and right now we got the tank. The tank is going to go in here, and we're using these fasteners that we sell online, and it'll make it really easy because you're not going to worry about gas tanks and baffles and hidden places, but you got to do it on a flat surface and a non-plywood surface. The rhino coating is okay, but the best way is just bare metal. Now you can see there's a 1/2-inch hole. Drop it in there. And then what we're going to do is tighten it up, and then we're going to take the 5/16 out, but we're going to use a helper tool to be able to do that. So we could have gotten the other side, but that's not as critical. I mean, this is going to be attached here to the tank, to the console. So it should be pretty good. So we're going to do the same with the reels as well as the console itself.